Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Laura.
I'm Trish.
And we are You Wish I Would. We just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about how we got started, how You Wish I Would became a thing. So last summer I started dabbling in building. We were finishing our attic, so I did some built-in shelves for the closet up there. We had a couple people flake on us, so I just kind of figured out how to do it myself. And then I made a few things for Trish.
So she made me like this rolling spice rack. It has like how many shelves?
I don't know,
Like
a lot
7.
for all her spices.
It had ropes on it, and it was like a really slim one that you fit in between the wall and the refrigerator, and it had a handle on the front. So it just made it really, really convenient. She also made a
Wine rack cart,
something like that.
something like that.
Where she actually like put the wine glass holders at the top. It was really cool. She also made a fish tank stand for me as well. So I posted like all these things on Facebook, and the feedback was just great.
So then her friend reached out and asked if I could make a champagne wall. And
We were like, what the heck is that?
yeah, we had no idea what it was, and it's funny because this last week we made 7 of them, so you can tell the difference from when we first started to now. We had no idea what it was, so she sent us a picture. I looked up a couple things on YouTube and just kind of figured out how to make it, and then
A couple days later, it was made.
yeah. Then she referred me a couple more customers, and apparently I wasn't charging enough. So she referred me a couple more people. I made a couple more of them for those customers. And then her friend wanted a shelf for his tattoo shop.
Which was like the design was,
Abstract.
yeah. But she did that as well. So I think at that point we talked about starting a business, couldn't really come up with a name. So we just kind of put it on a back burner for a few months. And then that's when my friend referred the other customers. And then after those champagne walls got done, we were like, okay, let's just do this. So we came up with the name.
She came up with the name.
You Wish I Would.
Everyone loves the name. I love the name. Thank you.
And we're trying to figure out like how we were gonna, like where we were gonna work. And I think we started back out on the porch a little bit.
Yeah,
And then-
so all this started from our front porch. Now we're in a shop, but everything started, we were building on the front porch. And then December 10th is when I officially started like the Facebook website and all that for the business. And it was becoming winter, so she let me work in the dining room.
So for 5 months, we worked out of the dining room while business grew and grew and grew. And then in April 2021,
Yeah.
this year, we were able to get a shop. And that's where we are now. Making greatness.
So when we first got started, I watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to make things and how to like grow your business. I seen this one video, I cannot remember his name, but he was advertising a chair, and he was saying basically make a sale for a certain period of time so it forces people to make the decision to purchase. So we did a week sale of bathtub trays. They go across your bathtub so you can set your candle and your book and whatever on it. So we did that first, got a bunch of orders for that. Then we did a week sale for stove covers. That really blew up. I think we made like 30 of them in a week. It was crazy. Then other people started reaching out, asking if we could make certain things. So we made a rabbit hutch. That came out really great.
That was great.
And then laundry basket organizers. I made one and that blew up. I think we made like 30 of those also. That was fun, making a bunch of those out of the house. The dining room.
Yeah. So, and then like in the event planner community, like everything just really evolved. So we've done a lot of marquee numbers, tons of champagne walls, including the framed ones, the ones without frames.
Behind the camera, we have 5 of them waiting to be picked.
Yeah. Candy carts.
Yep. We're starting those this week, so we're actually in the middle of recording that as well.
We made like this humongous 8-foot, it was called a mini boutique wall, like a Mickey Mouse type thing.
That was fun. I loved
Yeah.
making that.
Yeah.
And then we made bars,
Yeah, we
some
made
portable bars. We've made
Yeah. Now,
4
like,
of those
8.
now.
So we also have, we're gonna start doing event rentals as well. Well, I kind of actually started already, but I haven't just like full-fledged jumped out there for real. So the Facebook page for that is called Events Happen Rentals. And I'll be servicing Canton, Ohio. So Stark, Cuyahoga, Summit counties, and like other surrounding counties as well. And we'll be renting out like event items. We have a lot of other things coming up for our businesses that we have.
So for YouTube, we're going to start offering tutorials for beginner woodworkers, how to use tools, sanding, staining tips, things like that. That'll be coming to YouTube. If you want to learn how to do some of the event items, that's going to be for Patreon. The memberships, subscriptions, they start at $10. So you can learn how to make these event items for your own company or make them and sell them if you're a woodworker. That money on Patreon actually goes towards paying the camera woman, my daughter. So she records all of our videos and edits them, so we don't have to worry about it and we can just focus on building. The links are in the description. So if you want to subscribe to Patreon, that's in the description. If you're interested in purchasing these items, I do not ship, but if you're local to Canton, Ohio, you can contact me through Facebook. And if you're interested in renting, that'll be in the description as well. And thank you all.
We also have many event planners that live like hours away and they come pick up. So if you're interested, if you want to come pick up, you can do that as well.
Road trip.
All right, thanks guys.